Hello students, we are now going to begin with the topic cube and cube root. In the previous lecture, we have already studied what is cube and what is cube root. Now we are going to see actual examples of finding cube and cube root. Okay, so before starting cube and cube root, let's do a quick revision of square and square root. Now, what do you mean by square? Suppose you have to find the square of a number. Suppose 4. So, square means power 2. Index is 2. And index 2 means multiply the number by itself. Okay. Power 2 means 2 times multiplication. And what is the answer of this? 4 into 4 is 16. This is known as the square of 4. 16 is known as the square of 4. Or 7 square means what? 7 into 7 means 49. So square of 7 is 49. Square means understood 2 times multiplication. Now this is the square of a positive number. What if we take a negative number? Okay, so suppose I take here minus 4 square. I take minus 4 square. So what will it be? Minus 4 multiplied by minus 4. Okay, same number multiply by itself. Index 2 means what? जो नंबर बेस में है उसी को 2 बार मल्टीप्लाई करना है. Now 4 into 4 is 16 and minus into minus is plus. Negative into negative, answer is positive. This we have already studied in the 7th standard. Similarly, if we take square of negative 7, then this will be negative 7 multiplied by negative 7. So 7 sevens are 49 and negative into negative is positive. Means 7 square is also 49 and negative 7 square is also 49. So किसी भी नंबर का आप स्क्वायर लेंगे तो आंसर हमेशा पॉजिटिव होगा. पॉजिटिव नंबर का भी स्क्वायर पॉजिटिव, निगेटिव नंबर का भी स्क्वायर पॉजिटिव ही होगा. दिस वी हैव ऑलरेडी स्टडीड. नाउ व्हाट इफ वी फाइंड द स्क्वायर रूट? इफ वी फाइंड द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 4, sorry, square root of 16. So answer will be 4. And square root of 16, answer can be negative 4 also. Square root means what? कौन से नंबर को खुद से ही मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद 16 आता है. सो 4 इंटू 4 किया तो भी 16 आता है. निगेटिव 4 इंटू निगेटिव 4 किया तो भी 16 आता है. तो 16 के 2 स्क्वायर रूट्स रहेंगे. देयर विल बी 2 स्क्वायर रूट्स ऑफ एवरी पॉजिटिव नंबर. हर पॉजिटिव नंबर के 2 स्क्वायर रूट्स रहेंगे. वन विल बी पॉजिटिव and one will be negative. And if you have to show negative root conventionally, means sign wise, so this you can also write down as negative square root of 16 equal to negative 4. So conventionally you can write like this also. So always remember 2 things you have to remember, that the square of any number is always positive. Okay, square of positive number positive, square of negative number also positive. Second thing you have to remember that every positive number has 2 square roots. Okay, हर नंबर के 2 स्क्वायर रूट होते हैं. पॉजिटिव होता है एक और दूसरा निगेटिव. एंड द थर्ड थिंग इज स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 0 is 0. Okay, so which 3 points we have studied? Square of any number is always positive. Second point, every positive number has square roots. And the third thing we have studied is square root of 0 is 0. Okay, so these 3 points we have studied, 1, 2 and 3. Now we have to study the cube of a number. So cube means what? If a number is written 3 times and multiplied, then the product is called the cube of number. Cube means 3 times multiplication. Now we will see some examples of cube. First one, we will take an easy example. Suppose 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6. So when a number is written 3 times and it is multiplied, then it can be written as 6 to the power 3, which is called as 6 cube, and the answer is 216. So how you will read this? Cube of 6 is 216. 6 cube is 216. Another example we will take 17 cube. 17 cube means what? 17 into 17 into 17. Answer is 4913, 4913. Now, if you find the cube of negative 6, okay, find the cube of negative 6. So, what will happen? Negative 6 into negative 6 into negative 6. Now, here, this 2, negative 6 into negative 6, what we will get? 36. 6 6 are 36, minus into minus plus. Now this one is remaining into negative 6. So answer will be 216 with a negative sign, because positive into negative is negative. So whenever there are 3 minus sign in multiplication, answer will be always negative. So this means that cube of negative number is always negative and cube of positive number is always positive. पॉजिटिव नंबर का क्यूब लेना है तो आंसर पॉजिटिव आएगा, निगेटिव नंबर का क्यूब लेना है तो आंसर निगेटिव आएगा. स्क्वायर में कैसे था? पॉजिटिव का आंसर पॉजिटिव और निगेटिव का भी आंसर पॉजिटिव, पर यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव का आंसर पॉजिटिव, निगेटिव के क्यूब का आंसर निगेटिव. दिस थिंग यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. नाउ वन मोर एग्जाम्पल वी विल टेक. Negative 2 upon 5 cube. Now we know the laws of indices. Okay, so when there is a cube of a rational number, means ये cube negative 2 का भी है और 5 का भी है. Now negative 2 cube means negative 2 into negative 2 into negative 2. 5 cube means 5 into 5 into 5. So 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. Negative sign because negative negative positive positive negative negative. And 5 5s are 25 5s are 125. So the answer of this is negative 8 upon 125. Understood? Now another example we will take. We have to find the cube of 1.2. Now whenever there is a decimal number, so what you will do? First find the cube of the number omitting the decimal point. Okay, without taking the decimal point, you have to find the cube. So we will take first 12 and we will find the cube of 12. So what is the cube of 12? 12 2s are 24, 12 1s are 12 and 14. Now one more time multiply by 12. because cube means 3 times. So this is 2 times, and this answer we will again multiply with 12. Okay, 12 fours are 48. Carry 4. 12 fours are 48. 49, 50, 51, 52. Carry 5. 12 ones are 12 plus 5, 17. So what is the answer of multiplication? 1728. So 12 cube is 1728. Now here there is decimal point. So what will be the cube of 1.2? 1.2 into 1.2 into 1.2 means what? After decimal point there will be 3 digits in the answer. This 1, 2 and 3. When you will multiply this, you will get 3 digits in the answer after the decimal point. So we know the answer of 12 cube. So write down that answer, and decimal point we will give before 3 digits 1, 2 and 3, क्योंकि मल्टीप्लिकेशन के बाद डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद 3 डिजिट रहेंगे, ये एक और ये एक, तो यहाँ आंसर में डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद 3 डिजिट्स है. सो लाइक दिस यू हैव टू सॉल्व द क्यूब ऑफ decimal numbers. Okay, same way we will take one more example. Cube of 0.02. Now cube of 0.02 means what? 0.02 into 0.02 into 0.02. So here only one digit is there, 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, and यहाँ 0 पॉइंट है तो आंसर में भी 0 पॉइंट ही आएगा. आफ्टर डेसिमल पॉइंट्स हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स? 1 2 3 4 5 6. सो 5 0 आएंगे डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद. 1 2 3 4 5 और लास्ट में आएगा 8. 2 का क्यूब है 8 और बाकी सब जगह पे 0 ही आएगा. सो द क्यूब ऑफ 0.02 is 0.000008. So like this you have to find the cube. Okay, and what you will remember? Cube of positive number positive, cube of negative number is negative. Now we will see how to find the cube root. Okay, cube root means what? वो नंबर कौन से नंबर को खुद से ही 3 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद मिलता है. सो फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल वी विल टेक, वी हैव टू फाइंड क्यूब रूट ऑफ 216. सो क्यूब रूट ऑफ 216 question mark, we have to find it. So to find the cube root of a number we will use the factorization method. First we will find the prime factors of 216 and then we will find that 216 is the cube of which number? 216 जिस नंबर का क्यूब होगा वही उसका क्यूब रूट होगा. So let's start finding the factors of 216 by vertical method. So first factor will be 2, then 2 ones are 2, 2 zeros are 0 and 2 8s are 16. Again 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. Again 2 2s are 4, 1 4 14, 7s are. Now 3 9s are. Again 3 3s are and 3 1s are. So factors of 216 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, so in prime factorization method 216 can be written like this. Now 2 into 2 into 2 means 2 cube, and 3 into 3 into 3 means 3 cube. Now we know the law of indices that if a into b raised to the power m is there, then m is the power of a also and m is the power of b also. तो ये हुआ तो ऐसा होता है. अब हमारे पास ये फॉर्म में है, सी a to the power m into b to the power m. So here how we can write a into b whole to the power m. a into b कंबाइन किया और एक ही बार पावर लिखा 3. Now 2 into 3 is 6 and is cube. So 216 किसका क्यूब है? 6 का. इसीलिए therefore cube root of 216 is 6. Okay. Or in index form, how you can write 216 to the power 1 upon 3 is 6. So like this we can find the cube root. Now one more example we will take. Cube root of negative 1331 we have to find. So first we will find out 1331 factors. So the only factors of 1331 are 11 into 11 into 11 means 11 cube. तो 1331 11 के क्यूब का आंसर है. Therefore cube root of 1331 will be 11. But we want the cube root of negative number. So in both the side we will give a negative sign. So negative number का cube root है तो वो negative ही आएगा. Understood? First find the cube root of positive number and give negative sign on both the side. Now one more example we will take. Cube root of 0.125. Cube root of 0.125. Now 0.125 can be written as 125 upon 1000. It is a decimal number. So decimal number means what? If there are 3 digits after the point, that means we can remove the point and divide by 1000. So हमें actually ये number का cube root निकालना है. So first we will find 125 किसका cube है और 1000 किसका cube है. So 125 is the cube of 5 and 1000 is the cube of 10. Understood? 125 5 का क्यूब है और 1000 10 का क्यूब है. Therefore cube root of 125 upon 1000 will be 5 upon 10. Cube root of 125 upon 1000 will be 5 upon 10. क्यूब रूट में फ्रैक्शन जब है तो न्यूमरेटर का क्यूब रूट हमें अलग से लेना है और डिनोमिनेटर का क्यूब रूट हमें अलग से लेना है. व्हाट इज द रीजन ऑफ दिस? द रीजन इज द लॉज ऑफ इंडाइसेस. अगर a अपॉन b का कुछ पावर है तो वो पावर दोनों का होता है, a का भी और b का भी सेम पावर. तो यहाँ पावर मतलब ही क्यूब रूट है. पावर 1/3 है. क्यूब रूट मीन्स व्हाट? पावर 1/3. तो ये क्यूब रूट हमें न्यूमरेटर का भी लेना है और डिनोमिनेटर का भी लेना है. एंड 5/10 अगेन डेसिमल नंबर, सो दिस कैन बी रिटन एज 0.5. सो द आंसर ऑफ क्यूब रूट ऑफ 0.125 is 0.5. Okay. Like this we can find the cube root of numbers. Okay, one last example we will take. Cube root of 1728, 1728. Now इस नंबर का क्यूब रूट निकालना है. मीन्स व्हाट? दिस नंबर विल डेफिनेटली बी अ परफेक्ट क्यूब, तभी तो हमें इसका क्यूब रूट निकालना है. एंड लास्ट में 8 है, मतलब ये 8 से डिवाइड हो सकता है. So we will write 1728 equal to 8 into. Now we will see by doing division. So 8 2s are 16, 8 1s are 8, and 8 6 are 48. So here you can write 8 into 216. Now 216 is the cube of 6 and 8 is the cube of 2. So 2 cube into 6 cube. Now combine it. 2 into 6 whole to the power 3. 2 6 are 12. Means 1728 is the cube of 12. Therefore cube root of 1728 is 12. So what I suggest is that instead of doing the factorization, see this is the actual method, but it takes a lot of time to find the prime factors. So instead of doing factorization, if you learn the cube of the numbers from 1 to 25, then you can directly write the answer. If you learn the list of cubes of 1 to 25, then you can skip all this process and you can directly write down this line and this line. So it is up to you. If you can learn it, then very good. Otherwise you have to do the factorization and then you have to find that it is the cube of which number. So I will send you the list of perfect cubes, so you can learn it if you want, and you can do it directly also. Understood? So in the next lecture we are going to start with practice set 3.3. Okay, thank you.